You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Financial markets continue to adapt to changing conditions. In the U.S., investor optimism is supported by expectations of a Fed rate cut, pushing Wall Street indices to new highs. However, the situation is different in Europe, despite the rise in German stocks, possibly driven by a recovery in confidence within the manufacturing sector. The region's economic outlook remains under pressure. Focus is on retail sales and industrial orders data, which could adjust expectations for ECB rate decisions. Political instability is adding to the tension. In France, for the first time since 1962, Parliament passed a vote of no confidence in the government, threatening its financial stability. South Korea is facing a political crisis related to the impeachment attempt of President Yoon Suk-yeol. These events, rare for such key players, create uncertainty for both bond and equity markets, prompting investors to seek defensive assets. The S&P 500, Nasdaq, and Dow reached record levels, reflecting positive market sentiment, with the likelihood of a U.S. rate cut in 2025. The probability of a December rate cut has risen to 75%, signaling expectations of policy easing. In the Asia-Pacific region, the MSCI index remained unchanged. Japan's Nikkei rose 0.6%, hitting a 3-week high, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng fell 1%. Bitcoin surpassed the $100,000 mark, setting an important psychological milestone for the cryptocurrency market. The price surge began following Republican election victories and Donald Trump's announcements of key economic appointments. The approval of a Bitcoin spot ETF and the upcoming halving event have created optimal conditions for growth. Inflation, fiat currency depreciation, and the easing of Fed tightening also support demand for Bitcoin as digital gold. Forecasts suggest Bitcoin could reach $200,000 by 2025, fueled by growing institutional investor interest and stable macroeconomic support. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.